What's up, everybody? Your boy Josh Altman here in Hidden Hills today. We're gonna get the personal tour from Max over at Nobel Design and Build. Check it out. We're gonna give you his information on the screen, because after you see this house, yeah, you're gonna want him to build your dream house. Let's go. Now, not only do we wear the same suits, but a lot of people don't know this. Max is from the Ukraine. Guess who else is from the Ukraine? Yours truly. Follow my bloodline back. This is my brother from the Ukraine, even though I've never been there. But yeah, so
one day together.
I'm rolling with you, but in the meantime, tell us what we are seeing right here, because this is insane.
So this fireplace was custom created. Everything here was custom drawn by size of this room. We're looking at 3 tons of brass, which is like 6,000 pounds of brass. It's the company named Preciosa. Their office is in Italy and in Czech Republic.
A lot of people say that their houses are dialed in and that they're, touchpads and this and that, but they're not always that dialed in. You get into a house and you realize, oh, well, then you have to do more wiring or this or that. This house is dialed in. Check this out. So, yeah, you're entertaining, and in a lot of these houses, the kitchens are so beautiful that you don't want to mess them up. This is a true chef's catering kitchen over here, and it's just on the other side of the wall of the formal, even though the kitchen's over there. And this is what you're gonna dirty up. You can get this place as messy as you want. You got a private entrance.
Separate entrance for the chef to bring the food, to bring everything.
That's a serious stove, although I'm not a serious cook. All right, talk about the furniture that we got in this room.
So in this room, everything is Minotti, all this, and then the B&B Italia.
This is some serious furniture, just the weight of it alone. I think that you set this room up amazing, the way that it's open, you're not being blocked off with the couch, so I love that piece. And oh, by the way, check this out. This is Max's company. Get familiar with it, because yeah, you gotta wait till I build my house first with Max, but then you can have Max. Where are we gonna go see next?
Let's get to the movie theater.
Oh yeah. All right, let's talk about this, Max. What type of system do we have in here?
All this is connected through KNX, so everything is connected together to play a movie.
And I love this, how you cut it, cut the speakers so they come through the glass panels, so those are all custom. And you're looking at what, 130-inch screen here?
Yeah. Here we are in the family room.
What makes it super dramatic is the uplighting here. So, I mean, the steel as is, what did you powder coat the steel?
Yeah, we powder coat the steel, and then we put the LED light on each beam from both sides. When you look at it, it makes the ceiling pop even more.
All the cabinets, of course, all custom, and they're all full stone.
So here we have all the stoves are separate, and again, flush condition, we have the hood.
I mean, in general, not holding you to it, how much money was spent on the gray stone throughout this house? Hundreds of thousands.
Yeah, no, it's north of $500,000.
It's crazy.
Just that stone.
But for me, I mean, you asked me, that's what's worth it. That's what separates this house from everything else. I mean, everywhere you look is it just feels like something you've never seen before in a house. Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's just the Mr. Miyagi bonsai tree in me. I don't even know if this is a bonsai tree, but it looks like it, and it's very cool.
It's a bonsai olive tree. From the very beginning, I wanted to be here because half of it is a wood. And just to separate all this and to create even more greenery to it, that's how the tree comes in.
I love it. I love the way that it's lit at night. It's super dramatic. And also, whenever you bring in something living into a house, like, it just adds to that earthy tone feel. So I love this.
So I wanted in the family room to have a fireplace and TV, but I don't like to to look at a lot of different elements because I want the whole attention to be on the art, on beautiful furniture. That was the idea behind it, to have a TV behind the glass, so when you turn it off, you don't see anything, and the same idea with the fireplace.
When the TV's on, like you said, you get to watch it, it's great, you got a great TV, but when it's off, it's gone. You don't see it, you don't feel it, and it's a piece of art. Where are we going next?
Let's go see the master bedroom.
Cool. Check out this pivot door. Come on in, I'll follow you guys.
This is the master bedroom.
Wow.
Fabric panels. This is the Boxster light, the Minotti furniture.
I love this because you can kind of see through this, but you can't. What's going on with this?
So I wanted to separate the master bathroom and the bedroom, but I wanted to have that sexy feeling behind it, so you kind of see through.
Should we do the test? Let's test it out. Can you guys see me? Just the detail alone with the stone is on such another level. I like how you backlit that as well. So you still have the privacy, but you don't have people looking in while you're taking a bath. Not that anybody can look in anyways, but even into the shower here, you have an amazing system. I'm not gonna mess with it too much because I don't wanna get stuck in the shower, but it's pretty awesome. I love this. Good size, you got the window, you got the uplit, so you got a lot of good light throughout here, all custom matching what you also have in the master, and you got a lot of different setups, which I love, so you can rock the suits, the t-shirts, a lot of different shoes, and also it's got a good vibe in here. So how many bedrooms throughout the estate?
So we have a master bedroom here, we have another 4 bedrooms on this wing and the second floor, and then another bedroom behind the kitchen.
Okay.
So because a lot of people here have living stuff in the house.
Yeah.
So that bedroom has a separate entrance, separate
nice.
exit. They can come and go wherever they want. And then the guest house and the bungalow.
So it could be up to 7 bedrooms if you want, or less. We don't have all the time to show you every bedroom, but I can tell you they're all fantastic. The one that I'm most excited to show is the guest house, because I tried to just buy the guest house from Max, but he won't let me. He said that it comes with the house, so I can't afford the house, but it's the best guest house I've ever seen. So then right now, let's go hit the outside, and then we're gonna show you the guest house and the office and all that other stuff.
Let's go.
You guys ready? All right, we're gonna start hitting the outside and the other structures on the property. This fireplace is amazing. What's the deal with this?
So this one is fully custom. Again, the panel, as you saw on the main fireplace in the living room, we like to draw those pieces and then make it very custom.
Want to see the best guest house you've ever seen in your life? You want to bet? I'll bet. How much money you got on you right now? You want to bet that this is the best guest house you've ever seen? I left my wallet in the car, so you win. We are in the back of the house here, the guest house part of the house. So this entire separate structure is the guest house. You have your own entrance, you have your own driveway, your own kitchen. I mean, really is a true guest house. So you enter first in the kitchen area, breakfast nook area. You got, again, this beautiful stone and appliances. You got Gagano appliances. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Like, for me, if I own this house, there's a 50-50 shot that I live here. This is your guest house swimming pool, which I love. Infinity on all edges. All right, well, let's head to the rest because there's still a lot more to see. But now you can officially say you and Josh and Max have been in the nicest guest house you've ever seen. This structure alone, you know, as a real estate agent, I got to price everything in my head. This structure alone, I'm thinking is at least $3.5 million for this guest house. I'll sell it to you, but Max won't let me. So it comes with the house. So there's a lot of places in a house that you just have to do slow motion just because it looks cooler. And this is one of those places. Check this out. Start the slow-mo.
So the idea behind the car in this place comes in evening. So when you look in the evening from the main living area, you can actually see the car, and when it's red, when it's popping.
Amazing. And I know what you're asking. Does the car come with the house? And you know what I'm going to say? Everything's negotiable. It does not, but everything's negotiable. Everything has a price. And you know, that's what we do for a living. You want to race? Let's go! We've seen 3 different structures. We've seen the main house. We've seen the car, auto gallery / office. We've seen the guest house. Where are we heading next, Max?
Next is the pool house. Let's go see the pool house. So this is the 64-foot long pool. And it's just, I want it to be like a huge, because in Hidden Hills, for people, it's important to have a huge pool.
This is a serious pool. I mean, a lot of people say they swim laps. Try swimming laps in this pool, but behind us is a finished pool house just as good as the finished main house. What do you guys think of this bike here? Like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna try to negotiate this with my developer today because I'm thinking I wanna ride home on this. All right, well, we're coming to an end to this insane tour of one of the most beautiful properties ever built. What's the square footage again?
12,000 square feet.
What's the lot size?
1.5 acres.
We're in Bridal Trail in Hidden Hills with my boy, my client, Max Nobel, design builder, I mean, just visionary. And where can they find you at?
Nobel.la. And
Okay.
our Instagram is the best place to go, basically, because we post everything, all the projects that we do.
So if you're interested, we will put his information up on the screen. Thanks for hanging with us, as always. Good to see you. I mean, I don't hate your suit. I'm just saying, you got good taste. Anyways, we're out of here. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for joining us on my YouTube today for this insane house, $20 million, Hidden Hills. We'll see you guys. Let's go!